Hello, Chris Brazier here. Let's talk about the 6 symptoms or clues of a traumatic brain injury that are different from post-traumatic stress disorder. Now, over the years, as people have come to and seeking my help, one of the first questions we ask them is, what's actually wrong? And what we find out is that oftentimes we'll have clients who we find out are suffering with a traumatic brain injury, or PTSD, or actually both. And we've seen that quite commonly. Now, how do you differentiate? How do you figure out, and why is it important? Well, it's been important because the treatments are completely different, or different, I should say, for each disease or each injury. And so the outcomes for our clients are different based upon the treatment that they've gotten when they've come to us for help. Now, I've got this pretty cool summary kind of handout that I found in my research, and this is actually from the American Journal of Psychiatry, I think in July of 2019. And you can see here, feel free to pause the video, that these are the symptoms of PTSD. These are the shared symptoms of both PTSD and traumatic brain injury. And over here you see the symptoms that are unique typically to a traumatic brain injury. And so what's important to know is if you pause the video and you see any of these in your loved one, that person may have a traumatic brain injury. And so if you find out that's the case, it's very important to get them to a medical professional for a proper diagnosis so that you can match up the treatments to make the person's quality of life better. If you have any questions, feel free to download any of the resources in our group or ask questions. And if you have any questions or you want a copy of that Venn diagram from the Journal of Psychiatry, feel free to email me and I'd be happy to share it with you.